By the end of this video, you'll know about the best AI affiliate marketing tools that will help you grow your affiliate marketing business. You'll be surprised what number 4 is. So let's get right into it. So for number 7, I have MailChimp, and this is the best for building customer journeys. I know some of you actually have your qualms with MailChimp, and everybody's jumping on ConvertKit, Active Campaign, and stuff like that. But if you're actually doing affiliate marketing and you want to set up email marketing as easy as possible, MailChimp typically has a nice automation software. They've integrated AI into it that pretty much can help you tell, like pretty much help you tell the customer the very next step to take. So you don't have to do a lot of guesswork and stuff like that, like building out the sequences and things that are important for you to get sales. So if you just get a MailChimp account, you can set it up. It's very easy, very straight to the point. They also have like a beginner wizard guide that can help you. You can use MailChimp to set up a nice customer journey and eventually get a bunch of commissions and make more money with your business. Number 6, I have Scalio. This is the best for actually scaling affiliate marketing partnerships. So what this guys do is a nice partnership software, and you can pretty much use this to set up affiliate marketing on your own site, which is pretty good. Because for a lot of you out here that have service-based businesses that are more SaaS, like SaaS, or you sell like a digital product, or even sell a physical product, you can use Scalio to actually start your own affiliate marketing business. So pretty much you have a sales team that convinces people to buy your product, and in turn they make a commission. So this in the long run is going to reduce the amount of money you tend to spend on marketing. So the majority of your marketing will pretty much be you advertising and telling a bunch of affiliates that they can earn money with your company, not just buying from your company, which is pretty nice. As you can see here, they allow you to launch an enterprise grade partner program tailored precisely for your audience. That's pretty good. So for all of you out there that have your own digital marketing service business, you have your own digital product business, you actually sell your own physical products, you can get on Scalio and actually build up your own affiliate marketing program and and earn more money. So let's keep going. For number 5, I have AdsCook, and this is the best for actually generating affiliate marketing paid traffic. So a lot of times, a lot of people who do affiliate marketing, they're not that patient. You understand? They want to earn the money as fast as possible. SEO will typically take 6 months to 12 months for it to really take off, for you to really to start earning commissions. And you also have to put out a lot of content out there. But we're using AdsCook, it makes it much more easier. So you can actually come in here and it's going to give you like different variations of your Facebook ads. I believe they're starting to integrate Google ads so for your Instagram ads and any ads platform that you prefer to use. So if you take a look at their features, you can create, you can automate, you can also analyze the ads, and it's pretty nice. So if you don't have time to wait for SEO to take place, if you don't have time to wait, for your TikTok video to go viral, you can just head over to AdsCook and use it. And number 4, we have Wave.video, and this is the best for like easy video creation. So you can come in here and actually do your own like live stream directly from me, just like I'm doing with you guys. I've actually seen somebody before use this to create an actual video and put it out on YouTube. So this is direct and straight to the point. This is like Canva, but for like videos, making your own videos and stuff. Canva is for thumbnail creation and image editing and stuff like this. Wave.video is pretty much the Canva version, but for video strictly. Like anything YouTube videos, they even have like a thumbnail maker in here. So anything that deals with video strictly, just head over to Wave.video. It's going to be easy for you to do, okay? Number 3, we got Link Whisper. Now, if you write blog posts, you might have heard of something called internal linking. Internal linking is very important for SEO. Number 1, it boosts up a lot of pages on your website, especially for those of you who write a lot of blog posts or you have a lot of pages in your website. It boosts up the ones that are dead or old. Another thing too is also proves to Google that you have topical authority, that your blog has topical authority. Internal linking is very important and is one of the major ranking factors that Google considers whenever they want to rank a website for a particular keyword. So If you want to make that easy for you, because I mean, nobody can remember every single post that they're writing out, especially when your business starts growing. Just you can get Whisper, and you can use Link Whisper to pretty much make this as easy as possible. They have an AI tool that can pretty much automatically detect keywords so that it can automatically link from one new blog post to an older one. So go try Link Whisper, okay? Number two is Synthesia. You guys might have heard of this before. You might have seen this um, AI lady before. This is an AI lady, by the way. This is not a human. This is the best for AI video creation. So this gives your video a much more life feel. A lot of times when you see AI videos, it's typically a slide with a bunch of text underneath it. This makes it way better. I mean, obviously, it still has you can still hear some of the robot voices in it, but it's much more better than just seeing a bunch of slides with a bunch of text on it, and then you're just hearing like a main robot voice in the background. So for those of you who don't have time to create your own videos, and you rather just take a text, put it in here, and then customize it and have AI talk over the video, maybe you feel you have an accent and people don't want to listen to you, or you just don't have the time, or you're camera shy, use Synthesia. Straight to the point, pretty good, pretty clean. And their platform is always growing. And from what I heard from the last time, they've actually improved the way the audio sounds. So it's getting more and more human as time goes on. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's good for your affiliate marketing business. I can tell you that. And then number one, this is the best, and this is the champion of this entire video that I've just created. This is the best for overall AI affiliate marketing. So what these guys do is different from what ChatGPT does. Whatever content is created here is strictly for SEO. So it's not for your essays and stuff like that. If you come use the phrase.io for your essay, phrase will not make it the best. But when it comes to blog post writing, when it comes to YouTube description writing, YouTube title writing, meta title, meta description, phrase.io kills it. It is the best, in my opinion, for fast, like generating very fast blog posts, generating very fast YouTube descriptions that actually rank on Google. And for all of us out here who know this, if you start ranking on the first page of Google, the chances of you earning a good amount of income, especially for a transactional keyword, is very high. And before you guys actually leave this video, I'm going to ask you guys to actually go watch my video on the best AI website builders. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.